Early career professionals often hit plateaus gaining competencies translating business needs into responsive technology solutions, driving continuity. Without digging deeper, learning to align user requirements into system specifications through testing and adoption. Young analysts miss career springboards only advanced certification provides through bankable mastery. Our Business Analysis Certification fast-tracks next-generation analysts with frameworks sparking enduring capabilities. Attendees refine discovery techniques extracting actionable priorities, guiding project charter formation. Simulations coach translating needs into responsive requirements. Documentation assuring handoffs to development preserve continuity between objectives. Design and validation upholding solution quality, recognized enterprise-wide. Graduates confidently facilitate continuity orchestrating alignment between user expectations. System functionality, intelligence generation and adoption. Gaining credentials separating them within competitive talent pools as partners upholding technology investment returns from planning through to optimization. Commit now to analyst certification, placing you in high-demand shepherding organizations from ideas to technology solution. Adoption success through elevated requirements analysis and bridges building rapport across business and technical teams powering continuity.